Hello, I am Kaho, the Read Speaker Text 8 Cantonese Adult Male Text-to-Speech Voice. I shall read in English, and then read the same text in Chinese Cantonese. You can use me in the Text 8 Read Speaker web application to read documents that you have written, and PDF documents such as school, college, or university course content. You can also change my reading speed to suit your preferences. Read Speaker Text 8 can translate English text to Chinese Cantonese, and Chinese Cantonese to English, making it a good choice for anybody learning or studying in either language. If you have any questions about Read Speaker Text 8 individual or site licenses, please go to the Lime Assistive Technology Ltd website Contact Us page. The English text that I have just read has been translated to Cantonese within Read Speaker Text 8. I shall now read the translation. Many thanks. 你好，我係Kaho Read Speaker Text 8廣東話成人男性文字轉語音聲音。我會用英文讀，然後用中文廣東話讀同一個文字。你可以喺 Text 8 Read Speaker 網絡應用程式入面用我嚟閱讀你寫過嘅文件，同埋 PDF 文件，例如學校、大學或者大學嘅課程內容。你亦可以根據你嘅喜好改變我嘅閱讀速度。Read Speaker Text 8可以將英文文字翻譯成中文廣東話，將中文廣東話翻譯成英文。對於任何一種學習或學習任何一種語言嘅人嚟講，都係一個唔錯嘅選擇。如果你對 Read Speaker Text 8個人或網站授權有任何疑問，請去脊灰輔助技術有限公司網站嘅聯絡我哋頁面。我啱啱睇嘅英文文字已經喺 Read Speaker Text 8入面翻譯咗做廣東話。我而家會睇翻譯。多謝你。